Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will discuss a common problem that developers encounter when working with Python and PyQt, specifically with the QScrollArea widget. We'll explore the issue and provide a code example to help you understand the problem and how to solve it. When working with a QScrollArea in PyQt, you may encounter a situation where the scroll area is not scrolling as expected. This issue can be frustrating because the primary purpose of a QScrollArea is to allow the user to scroll through its content when it exceeds the available viewport space. The content appears cut off or doesn't scroll at all. Let's first provide a simple example of code that exhibits the problem. We'll create a window with a QScrollArea that contains a Q label with a long text. In this example, we create a QScrollArea and set a Q label with long text as its widget. However, when you run this code, you may notice that the scroll area doesn't work as expected. The text is cut off, and you can't scroll through it. The problem here is that the Q label doesn't have any size restrictions, so it will expand to fit the entire text, and the scroll area won't have a reason to scroll. To solve this issue, we need to set a fixed size for the Q label or limit its size in some way so that it doesn't expand infinitely. Here's an updated version of the code with a fixed size for the label. In this updated code, we set a fixed size, 300 x 200, for the Q label. Now, when you run the program, the scroll area works as expected, allowing you to scroll through the long text. When using QScrollArea in PyQt, it's essential to ensure that the content within the scroll area has a limited size, or else it won't trigger scrolling. By setting a fixed size or size constraints on the content widget, you can prevent the common problem of the scroll area not scrolling correctly. ChatGPT.